The Buds 4 Pro from Xiaomi is the new golden standard for earbuds. Not because of the color, no, but because of 9 reasons which I will share in this video. And I will tell and discuss how Xiaomi can lift the bar even higher. So let's get started. These earbuds launched at the end of February and I've been lucky enough to try them out for a while. Now, number 1 on the list is a very obvious one after unboxing the device for the very first time: the charging case. Instead of picking them straight up out of the charging case, what all the competitors do, Xiaomi went a different way and you open the charging case now from the front, and therefore you can take them out or grab them super easy. Inside the charging case, multiple magnets provide secure placement and they feel super snappy. This for sure helps selling the premium look and feel of these earbuds. 2. Hybrid ANC. The very first time that I put them on, I noticed something right away, and that is that the noise cancelling is amazing. Even without any audio playing, I noticed how much was suppressed by these earbuds. When I'm in the bus or train, it filters an amazing amount, albeit hard for me to prove. It's actually up to 48 decibel, and it does indeed a much better job than others I've tested. 3. Xiaomi's TWS app. Xiaomi's very first TWS app is a fact. We're now able to adjust sound settings in the new dedicated Xiaomi TWS app for features such as ANC modes, transparency mode, dual device connectivity, and a built-in dimensional audio functionality. It is a big step forward and therefore definitely belongs on this list, but with a small remark because, for example, EQ settings cannot be adjusted, so keep that in mind. Number 4. Connectivity. The earbuds can be connected to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, which is super handy because one device can be your phone and the other one could be your watch. Now, this can be done from the app or from the multifunctional button on the bottom of the earbuds. 5. Sony's LDAC. I love the polished industrial design, especially if it delivers an amazing audio performance. The Buds 4 Pro does exactly that. It features LDAC technology developed by Sony with a data transfer rate of up to 990 kilobytes per second, a bit depth of up to 32-bit, and high-res audio wireless support, offering a high-fidelity listening experience by delivering sound details to the ears via Bluetooth 5.3. 6. Ultra noise reduction. These earbuds also do an incredible job of filtering or reducing the noise from, for example, wind or cars passing by. Let's listen to this. This is how it sounds when I'm walking and there's a strong wind in my face. Last but not least, this is in the car, me driving 60 kilometers an hour in the 4th gear, and I just turned my signal on. As you've heard, pretty impressive, right? But you know what surprised me the most? Is the amount of noise reduction it can do, especially compared to the 𝗵13 Pro while filming. Alright, next up. 7. Dimensional audio. I wasn't really sure, to be honest with you, what to expect from the built-in dimensional audio, but through the head tracking function, the earbuds can detect one's movement and adjust the sound accordingly, making sure that every audio detail is in their rightful place, producing a realistic sound. Moreover, the embedded immersive sound further enhances the listening environment, creating a captivating surround sound experience. The Buds 4 Pro is ideal for movie lovers who are looking for a realistic viewing experience at home. Number 8. Comfortability. Now, I'm not the person who likes the full in-ear design. I like the traditional design and I'm kind of getting used to the half in-ear design. I still like the regular ones the most, but I'm positively surprised how comfortable these are. In the box, Xiaomi put 2 other sizes, and after doing a fit test from the app, I've now got the best possible fit, and wearing them for a longer time goes without any problem. They don't fall out when yawning or running on a treadmill at the gym. 9. The battery. The Buds 4 Pro support both fast charging via the USB Type-C port and Qi wireless charging. This last one is super handy, as with the reverse wireless charging from the 𝗵13 Pro, linked here in the top right corner, go check it out after watching this video, you've basically got unlimited music with you. With a 5-minute charge in the box, I managed to get 2.5 hours of playback time. And with a fully charged charging case, I've got more than 35 hours, which is very close to the advertised 38 hours. And number 10 is the bonus round. Round 1. This feature I loved most, in-ear detection. It is good, fast and reliable. Round 2. Despite calling it gestures in the app, it doesn't support it. Luckily, Xiaomi still managed to include volume control, albeit somewhat limited. I would have loved to choose double tap left for volume down and double tap right for volume up, and triple tapping for changing songs. And round 3, if you ever get sweaty, don't worry. With their IP54 rating, these earbuds got you covered. Alright, there you've got your 9 reasons why I believe this is the new golden standard for earbuds. Xiaomi could increase the bar even more by allowing one to customize the EQ settings or give us more options for volume control. If done for the same price as the Buds 4 Pro, it will be amazing. And to check the current price, go over to the video description and click on the link over there. Else, maybe consider watching this video over here. Those buds are pretty affordable, but you do have to make some trade-offs on some functionalities. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, please give it a like, consider subscribing so that I see you in the next one.